This is part 3 of the video of lesson Maggada Saheba from Siri Kannada grade 8. So in the previous video we had seen that Kareem, after the school function, he disappears with a golden chain. He never returns back home. So now let's continue. Tandege Mayalli Agni Sancharavaitu. So the father was now seething in rage. ಮಗನನ್ನು ಕ್ರೂರವಾಗಿ ಶಪಿಸಿದನು and he cruelly cursed his son. ಹಾಳಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಲಿ ಹಠಮಾರಿ. So he says, let him go to waste, or let him go to hell. ತಂದೆಯ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಉಲ್ಲಂಘಿಸಿದವನು ಎಂದು ಮಾತ್ರ ತಿಳಿದಿದ್ದೆ. So he says, I only thought he is a son who disobeys the father's words. ಈಗ ಕಳ್ಳನೆಂದು ತಿಳಿಯಿತು. Now I realize he is also a thief. ನನಗೆ ಇಬ್ಬರೇ ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಕಳ್ಳನಾದವನು, ಮನೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಓಡಿ ಹೋದವನು ಮಗನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಂದು ಆಣೆ ಹಾಕಿದನು. So he says, I have only 2 children now. He is so angry that he disowns Kareem. And so he says, I have only 2 children. A person who has become a thief or a person who ran away from house can never be my son. So I have only 2 children. Now, ಕೆಲವು ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಅನಂತರ ಕರೀಂ ಈಗ ಬೆಳೆದು ಯುವಕನಾಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Now, after a few years, Kareem has now grown up and he has become a young man now. ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಬಾಗಿಲು ತಟ್ಟಿದ. So he comes home and knocks on the door. ತಂದೆ ಬಾಗಿಲು ತೆರೆದು ಮುಖ ನೋಡಿ ಪಠಾರನೆ ಬಾಗಿಲು ಮುಚ್ಚಿದ. So the father, he opens the door, he sees Kareem's face and immediately shuts the door. 1 ಗಂಟೆ ಬಾಗಿಲು ತಟ್ಟಿದರೂ ತಾಯಿ ಅತ್ತು ಹಂಬಲಿಸಿದರೂ ಬಾಗಿಲು ತೆರೆಯಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. In spite of Kareem knocking on the door for close to an hour and his mother crying and yearning to see him, he did not open the door. ಕೊನೆಗೆ ನಿವೃತ್ತರಾಗಿರುವ ಶಂಕರಪ್ಪ ಅವರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಂಧಾನ ಮಾಡಿಸಿರಿ ಎಂದು ನಿವೇದಿಸಿದನು. So finally Kareem, he went to the headmaster, his school headmaster Shankarappa, who is now retired. He goes to him and pleads him, please mediate between me and my father. ನನ್ನ ಮುಖವನ್ನೇ ನೋಡಬಾರದು ಎಂದು ಹಠವಿದ್ದರೆ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ತಾಯಿಯಾದರೂ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕಾಣಬಾರದೆ. So he's telling the headmaster, okay, he is angry with me, he doesn't want to see my face, but at least can he not let my mother see me? Will at least let him allow my mother to see me. ಅಮ್ಮನ ಚಿನ್ನದ ಸರವನ್ನು ತಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಅದರೊಡನೆ 10,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗಳನ್ನು ತಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. He says, I have got the necklace of my mother which I had taken. I have got that back. I have also got 10,000 rupees money. ಅವನ್ನಾದರೂ ತಾಯಿಯ ಕಾಲು ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೇನೆ. He says, at least let me give all this to my mother and I will leave the place. ತಂದೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಹೇಳಿ. So he says, please go and console my father and tell him all this. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಳೆಯ ಶಿಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಉಪಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಂದ. So he says, please help your old student. Just do this one favor on this old student. ಶಂಕರಪ್ಪ ಅವರು ಮುದುಕನೊಡನೆ 1 ಗಂಟೆ ಗೋಗರೆದರು, ನಿವೇದಿಸಿದರು, ತರ್ಕಿಸಿದರು, ಚರ್ಚಿಸಿದರು, ಆದರೆ ನಿಷ್ಫಲವಾಯಿತು. So now Shankarappa goes to talk to Abdul Rahim, who has become a very old man now. So he pleads with that old man, he requests him, he reasons with him, he discusses with him, but nothing was fruitful. It was only an unsuccessful attempt. ಒಂದು ಪದವನ್ನು ಕೇಳುವ ತಾಳ್ಮೆ ಮುದುಕನಿಗೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. So that old man did not have patience to even listen to one word of what the headmaster was saying. Saheb Bahadur Hussain, ಸಾಹೇಬರ ಕೀರ್ತಿಗೆ ಮಸಿ ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ದಾನೆ. His only worry, or the only thing he was going on saying, is that Kareem has tarnished the fame of Saheb Bahadur Hussain. ಈ ಮಾತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅಡ್ಡಬಾಯಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಡಿ. So he even scolds the headmaster saying, you don't interfere in this matter. ನೀವು ಕಲಿಸಿದ ಪಾಠದಿಂದಲೇ ಈ ಹಠಮಾರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ವಂಶದ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಮಣ್ಣು ಪಾಲು ಮಾಡಿದ. So he is now blaming the headmaster. He's saying because of the lessons you taught only, he has become like this and he is ruining the reputation of our family. ಹಣ ತಂದಿದ್ದಾನಂತೆ, ಕಳವಿನ ಹಣವೋ. So he's now angry. Because the headmaster tells that he has also got 10,000 rupees to give them, right? So the father is asking, oh, he has got money. Where did he steal that money from? Is that stolen money? ದರೋಡೆಯ ಹಣವೋ, or has he done a big robbery somewhere and got that money? ಎಂದು ಸಿಡುಕಿದ. He snapped. He was so angry and he said these words. ಶಂಕರಪ್ಪ ಅವರು ಮುಖ ಬಾಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂತಿರುಗಿದರು. So Shankarappa was very disappointed and he returned back. ಕರೀಮನ ಹಣ ಕಳವಿನದೂ ಅಲ್ಲ. And now the author is explaining us how did Karim have so much money. It was not money that he stole or he did robbery. Darodeyu alla. He did not earn that by stealing or doing any robbery. ಸಣ್ಣ ಪ್ರಾಯದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಗ್ಗದ ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಸಂಘವೊಂದನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿ ಅವನೀಗ ಅದರ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷನಾಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So he has established a cooperative society, Loomers or Weavers Cooperative Society, and now he is the president of that society. ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯು ಧನವಂತನೂ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. He has become very successful and wealthy also. ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಮಗ್ಗದ ಯಂತ್ರದ ಪ್ರಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ ಸುಧಾರಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆಗಳನ್ನು ತಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So he has brought in a lot of improvements and changes in the machinery of the loom, the usage of the machine, and he has made a name for himself for that. ಆದರೆ ಈ ವಿಷಯದ ಲವಲೇಶವು ತಂದೆಗೆ ತಿಳಿಯದು. And the father does not even have the slightest idea of Karim's achievements. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಆತ ಕರೀಂನ ಕಡೆಗೆ ತನ್ನ ಹೃದಯವನ್ನು ಮನೆಯ ಬಾಗಿಲು ಮುಚ್ಚಿದಂತೆ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಮುಚ್ಚಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Because he has closed his heart, just like how he has shut his door against Karim. So he has completely shut Karim out of his mind and heart. ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಕರೀಂನ ಹೆಸರೆತ್ತಿದರೆ ನನಗೆ 2 ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಕಳ್ಳರ ಪರಿಚಯ ನನಗಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂದೇ ಅವನು ನಿಷ್ಠೂರದ ಉತ್ತರ. So if anybody takes the name of Karim in front of Abdul Rahim, he would get angry and he will say, I have only 2 children, thieves are not my children. That would be his bitter reply. ಕೆಲವು ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಅನಂತರ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ರಹೀಂ ಹಾಸಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒರಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Now a few more years have passed and now Abdul Rahim is leaning on his bed. ಅನಾರೋಗ್ಯದಿಂದ ನರಳುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. Now he is suffering from illness and sickness. ಎಲಿಬಿನ ಹಂದರವಾಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. He has become so lean and weak. He looks like a skeleton. ಕಣ್ಣು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. His vision is very poor. His eyesight is very poor. ಕಿವಿಯು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. He is not even able to hear things properly now. ಶಂಕರಪ್ಪ ಅವರು ಬಾಗಿಲು ತಟ್ಟಿದರು, ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದರು. So Shankarappa now knocked the door and he has come inside. ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವಾರ್ತಾಪತ್ರಿಕೆ and he had a newspaper in his hand. ರಹೀಂ ಸಾಹೇಬರೇ, ಈ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆ ನೋಡಿದಿರಾ? ಈ ಭಾವಚಿತ್ರ ನೋಡಿ. So he's bringing the newspaper and saying, have you seen this newspaper? Look at the picture in this newspaper. ಮುದುಕ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ಹತ್ತಿರ ತಂದ, ಆದರೆ ಪಾಪ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮಂಜಾಗಿವೆ. So he took the newspaper closer to his eyes, but his eyes were blurred, so he could not see anything. ಏನೂ ತೋರದು. He could not see anything. ಅವನ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಬಂದು ವಾರ್ತಾಪತ್ರಿಕೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದಳು. So now his wife comes and takes the newspaper. ಕರೀಂ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕರೀಂ ಎಂದು ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಉದ್ಗರಿಸಿದಳು. And after she saw the newspaper, she started crying and screaming loudly, Karim, it is our Karim. ಏನು? ಜೈಲಿಗೆ ಹೋದನೆ, ಹಾಸ್ಯ ಆಯಿತೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಮನೆತನದ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಅಪಕೀರ್ತಿ ಹೇರಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಎಂದು ಮುದುಕ ಕೆಮ್ಮುತ್ತಾ ಗರ್ಜಿಸಿದ. Now Abdul Rahim is screaming, what? Has he gone to jail? Or are they hanging him? What more has he done to spoil the family reputation? So this is what Abdul is asking, shouting and coughing. Rahim Sahebare, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗ ಕರೀಮನಿಗೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಪತಿ ಅವರು ಪದ್ಮಭೂಷಣ ಬಿರುದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So now the headmaster Shakarappa saying, Rahim, your son has got the award from the president, the Padma Bhushan award from the president. ಅದರ ಭಾವಚಿತ್ರ ಈ ವಾರ್ತಾ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ. That is the picture that you see in this newspaper. ಪದ್ಮಭೂಷಣ ಅಂದರೇನು? So now Rahim is asking, what is Padmabhushana? I don't know what it means. What does it mean? Padmabhushana ಅಂದರೆ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ ಬಹದ್ದೂರ್ ಗಿಂತಲೂ ಮೇಲಿನ ಬಿರುದು. So it's a title which is more higher or better than Saheb Bahadur. Khan Saheb, Khan Bahadur, Diwan Bahadur, ಇವೆಲ್ಲದರಿಂದಲೂ ಮೇಲೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಿರುದು. So it's saying it is beyond or more, much worth than Khan Saheb, Khan Bahadur or Diwan Bahadur. It's a very big title. Kareem, Nanna Kareem, Saheb Bahadur gintalu meladane. So now Abdul Rahim is saying, Kareem, my Kareem, as you become even better than Saheb Bahadur, Devaru Doddavanu, God is great. Devaru Dayalu, God is very kind. ನನ್ನ ಬಾಯಿಯಿಂದ ಬಿದ್ದ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಮಾತನ್ನು ದೇವರು ಕಿವಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಿಲ್ಲ. So God did not pay heed to my unkind words. ನನ್ನ ಕರೀಂ ಮಕ್ಕದ ಹುಸೇನ್ ಸಾಹೇಬರ ಹೆಸರಿಗೆ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ತಂದ. So he says, my Kareem, he has got fame to our family, to our ancestor Hussain Saheb. ಎಂದು ಕೆಮ್ಮುತ್ತಾ ಬಿಕ್ಕಿ ಅಳತೊಡಗಿದ ಭಾವುಕನಾಗಿ. So he became so emotional and started sobbing and crying along with coughing. So this is Maggada Saheba.